Hi there and welcome to this course. I want to start this course by saying thank you. Thank you for choosing me and thank you for choosing this course between all the other available courses here on Skillshare. The second thing I want to tell you is that this course was totally updated in 2021. So all the lectures that you are going to see in this course are 100% new, which means they were re-updated to meet the e-commerce market updates and the Shopify updates. So everything in here is up to date and everything in here is dedicated to make you succeed. Now let's start by discussing what you are going to learn in this course. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create your store using Shopify, and I'm going to show you that step by step. This means that if you are a complete beginner and if you don't know anything about Shopify, this course is also perfect for you because I'm going to walk you step by step. In addition to show you how to create your store, I'm going to show you how to optimize your store in order to make it highly converting. Because creating any store is not enough anymore in order to succeed. You should be creating a highly converting store, a very well optimized store. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this course. So in this course, I'm going to walk you from the basics up to the most advanced techniques. And I'm going to show you the road step by step. So whether you are a complete beginner or if you already have some experience with Shopify, this course is perfect for you. Now, before moving to the next lecture, I want to invite you to follow me here on Skillshare because in this way you will get notified first when I publish a new course. Second, I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to add me as a friend on Facebook. On all of my social media profiles, I share valuable content. So don't forget to check me out and add me as a friend and to follow me. In addition to that, I want to invite you to check my website. In there, I list all the services I offer for my clients. So you can go in there and check my services and see if any one of them is suitable for you. In this case, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, whether on Instagram or on Facebook. Now, let's start with this course and let's move to the next lecture.